Okay, class, we're going to review how to calculate break-even point, break-even analysis. This is very useful in determining in decision-making in management. Entrepreneurs always want to break even before you go bust. That's kind of the objective here. So it's a break-even analysis can give us a lot of information. Well, the formula is pretty simple. It's break-even point equals total fixed cost over price minus variable cost. Total fixed costs are costs that do not change with levels of output, meaning volume or sales volume or what you do, it stays the same. Examples of a fixed cost would be a leasehold expense or administrative cost. You have to pay the CEO no matter how many sales you make. Variable costs are directly related to levels of output. Some examples there would be cost of goods sold would be a variable cost, or sales commissions would be a variable cost. They're directly related to levels of output, and we should try to set price, and using the break-even analysis formula we can help us do some analysis to maximize profits. So let's look at the Smith Foods case. They give us the total fixed cost is $57,000. Okay. $57,000. That's your fixed cost. So then we put the price, the average food cost package per price is $1,000. We plug that in. Okay, now the tricky part of this case is to find the variable cost, because the average food package price is $1,000. That's the price, and the fixed cost is given to you. So let's, they give us the food cost of goods sold, the cost of the food packages were 48%, or $480. That's your cost of goods sold. So we put $480 plus our delivery cost, another variable cost, is $30, plus our sales commission. Well, the salesperson that sells it gets $100, and the two full-time salesmen each gets $25 override for a total of $150. So there's our variable cost. We add that up, it's $660. So that's our total variable cost. We subtract that, we get $340. And this is called the contribution margin. Each sale contributes $340 to the fixed cost. So we simply divide 340 by 57,000, and we get 168 food packages. Well, how many food packages needs to be sold to break even? It would be 168. Well, how many customers do we need? Well, they're 4-month food packages, and there's 12 months in a year, so we divide that by 3, and that gives us 56 customers. Smith Foods has about 60 customers. So what we have to do is calculate. This is our calculation. So Smith Foods needs 56 customers to neither realize a profit nor suffer a loss. And they have 60 customers. So they're like many companies, Smith Foods is kind of struggling along at the break-even point.